Hey guys!
Hi.
So today's video, I'm here with Tori, and I'm here with Bobby, but he's doesn't want to be filmed, but that's okay. We didn't make an intro, so
This is after the fact that we opened this box.
we tried out Tokyo Candy.
Oh, just watch and then you'll find out what we thought at the end.
Well, let's just get into the video.
Just a little disclaimer, we don't mean to offend anyone in this video. We are just trying out what we got. They're just different from what we have here in America. So
Yeah. So we just want to try it out.
look at the goodness. I ordered this off of Snapchat. I was watching Snapchat stories and I was like, hey, I want to try that, and I got it. So okay, so the first thing we're going to try is this one right here. This is Ginbis Matcha Chocolate Corn Puffs. Let's open these things. Oh. Take a whiff. They are green. One for you.
Thank you.
One for the boy over here. They're different, but I think they're good.
It tasted like I guess cheese puffs kind of like.
They are puffs, but I mean, they're pretty good. I mean, I can't read anything on the back of this, but they're pretty good. Now, this isn't on there, but there's some kind of chip. I have this. I think it's the Calbee lightly salted chips. I can't open it. They smell like kettle chips.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly like kettle chips. They're a little bit different. They have like a little bit of a different flavor. But other than that, they're exactly like kettle chips.
They're the
This is
pink strawberry biscuits.
There's a lot of strawberry stuff in here. So it's this little package in this box. Well, I don't understand. I can't open things. Oh, they smell delicious.
Smells like strawberries.
Ah. That kind of tastes like some kind of chip, but with strawberry in it. You know what they taste like? They taste like Pocky.
It's
New
the
Machitaro Puffs.
Gushers.
They look like little pieces of bread.
Yeah.
Those are different.
Tastes like stale bread.
Accurate. So these are caramel corn puffs. It's the only English that's on here. Caramel corn. They smell like cheese balls.
oh yeah.
They look like pirate booty.
Just a different color.
Did you say
Gummy. Those are good.
I'm keeping it.
Those are good.
They're
There's some
cookies.
kind of cookie.
Like the chobo or
Cookie.
Let's hope they're good.
did you get one?
It tastes like vanilla wafers. Ow!
These are the crispy flakes.
Oh, they don't smell good.
Mm-mm. They don't taste good either.
No.
Oh
Oh,
God, what is this?
it tasted like uncooked ramen. That was awful.
I don't think we can share a lollipop because this is a Hello Kitty lollipop.
Well, we're gonna do it anyway. Look at how small this thing is. I guess we'll both just take a lick. That's good.
Mm-hmm. Now we got the Japanese Kit Kats.
The uncooked ramen is really good.
You can keep it.
Look at it. I think they're gonna be like strawberry or something.
Huh?
I think they're gonna be like strawberry or something.
Yeah, because they're pink.
Yummy! Score. They're pink. Oh, they smell awful. Alright, let's see.
Mm-mm.
I don't know how I feel about them.
They don't taste horrible, but then they don't taste good.
I'm sorry, Tokyo, but I like our Kit Kats better.
What do you think?
Kinda good think like cold Kit Kats to me.
These are strawberry-filled chewy balls.
Say chewy balls again.
Chewy balls.
Chewy balls.
Chewy balls.
There's only two.
Oh my god. Squash.
Oh no, the angle.
Squash. Squash.
What if you weren't recording this whole time?
I would hate myself.
How do you know you're not?
There's a red button that.
Oh! I didn't see that.
That's nasty.
Oh God. Too soft. I'm sorry, but that's nasty.
Cherry mochi. Cherry mochi. Let's hope these are good. Because if they're not, I'm gonna throw up everywhere. What's this little stick for?
Maybe they're
What?
sticky.
I don't taste anything.
They're good. I like them.
This is the Sugar Rusk Ami bar.
You may.
You may bar.
You may eat my bar.
Doesn't smell bad.
Oh, that smells so good. It smells like butter. And it.
Can you believe it's not butter?
It tastes like a cheese ball with sugar on it.
Sweet cheddar.
We got a drink. This is called Fanta Yogurt Banana Mix. I'm a little concerned.
Hey, hold on. Oh,
Oh. Yeah. It smells nasty. Okay, bottoms up. Sucks if you don't like bananas. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
It's actually not that bad.
I don't like it. It's just because I don't like soda.
Yeah. It's not that bad.
I love it.
It's not too bad.
That's some on the penis.
I thought he was gonna say I got some on my penis. I forgot we have little old ladies downstairs. Sorry.
Last but not least, we have the DIY strawberry soft cream DIY snack.
Pour the powder into the tray.
We need water. Thank you.
There's the 3 little cones. I use a little spoon. When I finally open this, we can begin. We need 2 teaspoons of water. Here's a little cone. It smells good. Okay, I'm gonna lick it first.
I think the cone is like kind of stale, maybe.
Yeah, but like the cream is like carbonated.
What do you think?
Kind of tastes like soda.
Yeah. So that's all.
So what were your thoughts on the food?
I think these caramel corn things were really good. I threw out the wrapper of a sugar rusk, but that was so good too. Sugar and butter and a puff. It was really good. Kit Kats, not a fan of.
I wasn't a fan of this, but it's just because I don't like soda. But
These are chocolate puffs. They're green. I don't know.
they're
No,
okay.
they're pretty good. Chips, used to them. Like kettle chips
Yeah.
we have here. This reminded me of Little Things of Gum, but they were good. Not much flavor, but they were
Yeah,
good.
I didn't really taste anything.
These little, I don't even remember what these tasted like. Like bread.
I thought the DIY
these?
snack, like the strawberry cream thing, DIY snack thing was fun to make.
It was fun to make, but it was a little different.
I liked a lot of things. There was a lot of strawberry.
I would do this
things.
again, though.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching!
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button.
Peace.
Bye!